Hello Seahawks Junior 12s and families, welcome back to another weekly challenge video. This week the challenge is drumming at home. My name is Tony, I'm from the Seahawks Blue Thunder drumline. I've been involved with Blue Thunder now for 10 years and my instrument is called the tenors. It's the big one that you wear that folds down and it has six drums in front of you. So speaking of drums, for this challenge you do not need any real instruments. I'm going to teach you how to play what you saw before using only items that you can find in the kitchen. Let's get started, have some fun, and here's what you're going to need. 2 frying pan lids, a wooden spoon and a saucepan, a butter knife and a cheese grater, another wooden spoon and a salad bowl, any spatula, and a cardboard box. This challenge does not require you to read music. I will go through all 5 of the parts and demonstrate the rhythms. This music is written for 5 family members to play together, but in reality, any amount will work just fine, even if you're just one person wanting to play along with the video at the end. If you have more than 5 family members that want to play, simply double up performers on a part. Take note that the music has 2 parts, the A section and the B section, in between which is a 1-bar break for a vocal. I used the chant "Let's Go Seahawks." Feel free to be creative and come up with whatever you like. All right, let's learn the box part first. This is our fake bass drum. I understand that a box does not normally live in the kitchen, but I bet you can find one laying around or find something that just sounds kind of low. Here we go. Nice and slow, and I'll count the rhythms for you. This is the A section. 1, 2, here we play. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's the A section. You play it twice. Here's the B section. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1 and 3, a 4 and 1 and 3, a 4 and 1 and 3, a 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now you know the box. All right, now we have the frying pan lids. This is our fake cymbal. It's the most fun, but also the most loud. So have fun with that. Here we go. The A section, slow. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Crash. 2, ready, and now that'll repeat twice. Here's the B section. We bring the lid edges together. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1, and 3, rest. 1, and 3, rest. 1, and 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. There you go. Next up is the cheese grater. Get your butter knife, get your cheese grater, and we're bringing Latin percussion to the sounds of your kitchen. Here's the A section, slow. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 2, 3, 4. That's the A section. Here's the B section. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, down, up, down, up, down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That last bar is kind of tricky. I'll do it again. Here's the last bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's the cheese grater. Have fun. Next up is the Upsidedown Bowl. Any bowl will do the trick. This is our fake snare drums. One of them. Here we go. Slow. The A section. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. The B section uses the sides of the bowl. Here we go. The B section. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 3, 1, 3 and a 4. 1, 3, 1, 3 and a 4. Get your wooden spoons ready because the saucepan is the last part. By far the hardest part in the group. So whoever has the most percussion experience should play this. Here we go. I'll do each section twice this time. Here's letter A. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4E, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4E and a 1 and 2, 3 and 4E, 1E and a 2, 3E and a 4. That's the A section. Here's the B section twice. 1, 2, ready, and 1, and 3, and 1, and 3, and E, and 1, and 3, and 1, and 3, S-E-E-N. There you go. Hope you got it. Now it's time to put all 5 parts together and practice with the provided play along video. Good luck, and don't forget to have fun.
1, 2, ready, go. Let's go, Seahawks!